Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Dreame D30 Ultra. If you're interested in the D30 Ultra, the link to it will be in the video description. We'll also have linked our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks. And we also have our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all those links in the description. So on our D30 right here, we have it out of the station. Make sure your unit's currently powered on. You'll be able to know it's powered on because the top lights are solid white here. So make sure you turn it on. Give it a couple of seconds, make sure they're solid, and then now with it turned on, open up the top cover. We have a Wi-Fi indicator light here that's going to be your blue light. To the left of it, we have our reset button. We need to grab a small SIM removal tool. You could grab like a paper clip, pen, you get the idea. You're going to want to press and hold the reset button for a couple of seconds here. Okay, it just said restoring to factory settings, so we can let go. And now we just wait. The lights are off. Eventually the lights will come back on. They'll initialize. You'll get your startup prompt and it'll ask you to set up, connect, and do all the stuff like you're powering it on for the first time. So the lights are back on. That's a good sign. Eventually it'll go solid here. And then you'll be ready to use, set up, and connect to your D30 Ultra again. There's the startup chime. We'll hear some voice prompts, but that's how you factory reset it. It's very quick and straightforward. You notice we pressed it for maybe 5-10 seconds max. Then we had our lights come back on, blinking, all that, right? So just give it another couple of minutes, couple of seconds, I should say, to initialize here. Eventually those will go solid.
Welcome to use Dreame Robot.
There we have the initial startup prompt.
Scan QR code to download Dreame Home app to view more.
And the lights are solid. So super quick to get this factory reset back up and running.